How to fix a broken zipper. Rub the stuck area with soap, wax, or the graphite from a pencil. Gently try to work the zipper back and forth until it starts moving smoothly again. Check for any fabric stuck in the teeth and remove it. Try to realign the teeth by zipping up or down. If that doesn't work, use pliers to gently squeeze the slider, the part that moves, together to make it tighter, which may help re-engage the teeth. If the slider keeps falling down, it may have loosened. Use pliers to gently squeeze the back of the slider. If the slider is too damaged, you might need to replace it. Thread a paper clip, keyring, or a ribbon through the hole where the pull used to be. This can serve as a temporary zipper pull until you can get a replacement. If teeth are broken or missing near the top, you can fix this by stitching above the broken part to stop the slider from going past it. If teeth are missing lower down, it may require replacing the zipper completely.